Hello everyone. Today in this lesson, we'll be learning about the fractions. Remember, the book that we are using is the Target Your Math, Year 5. And you'll be on page 59 and 60. This is the book that we're using now when you are learning this fraction. You can use any book because it will be the same method as I'm teaching you today. Fine. Today we'll be learning about fraction, and in our lesson we'll be adding and subtracting. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to add and subtract the fractions. I'm taking you to these fractions of the same denominator. You know, in the fraction you have learned several things. Like here we are having 5/8 plus 5/8. This is just the same denominators. And also numerator the same, but sometimes you can have different numerators. So how do we add? If you're having the same denominator, how do we add? If the denominator are the same, we have to drop the denominator down in this way. First of all, you draw the line like this by using a ruler. So when you draw the line, you drop the denominator, one of the denominator down. So you write here 8. So we are having 8, we write 8. Once we write 8, we make 8 divided by 8. That's 1. 1 times 5, here it will be 5. Then you take the addition sign, you put here. After that, we make also 8 divided by 8, this side, then multiply by 5. Then you get 5. So we are having 5 plus 5 over 8. 5 plus 5, that's 10. Okay, so 10 we are having over 8, we write here over 8. As you're going to see, we are having, now the answer will be 10 over 8, but we didn't finish it because 10 is too big. This is just like when the ant is carrying an elephant. That will be awkward a little bit. So we have to change this one to mixed number. This, as you're going to see, is in improper fraction. We have to change to mixed number. So changing to mixed number, we have to do 10 divided by 8. That will be 10 divided by 8 to be 1. Because like we can ask ourselves, how many 8 in 10? That's 1. Then the remainder will be 2. The 2 remainder you put as numerator just this way. Okay? This is the way how you can what? You can find the answer. Now this will be our final answer. Hope it's very nice and it's easy to find, to add the fraction. Fine. Now I'll take you another example, B. Then after this one, I'll give you another example for subtraction. Then after that, the lesson will be finished. In the example 2, we are having 5 out of 12 plus 3 out of 12. The same way we have done in the first question, first example, you draw the line, then you drop one of the what? One of the denominators down, you drop here 12. So 12 divided by 12, 1. 1 times 5, you have here 5. Okay, plus, then you do 12 divided by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 3, you have here 3. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. When you divide, you make over 12. So this one is already fraction. So without simplifying, we leave the answer like that. Just as simple as it is. Now, adding the same denominator and this and the same, this just adding. Let me take you to subtraction a little bit. I'm not going to change anything here. I'll just use the same example. I'll take this one. Okay. In this one here, I'll just change this one a little to make it 3. If you're having the same denominator, the same way you can do if you're doing what? You are subtracting. Now, the same thing, you draw the line. When you draw the line, you put here one of the denominators down. Then after that, 8 divided by 8, 1. 1 times 5, you put here 5. Minus 8 divided by 8, 1. 1 times 3, you have here 3. So 5 minus 3, you have here 2. Then over 8. You take the 8 down. So it will be here 8. If you're subtracting, You just subtract, but the same way. So this is the way how you can subtract and also add if what the fractions have the same denominator. Thank you so much. Before I go, you have to go to activity A, that is exercise A. Just write 1 to 18 on page 59 in the book called Target Your Mathematics Year 5. Thank you so much. Don't forget washing your hands. Thank you.